This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding your account so Mail can fetch messages. Open the Mail app and choose Mail Add Account. Select your provider or pick other Mail account if not listed. Then enter your email address, password, and a short account name so you can tell accounts apart. Once done, make sure Mail has permission in System Settings Internet Accounts. This lets it sync. You'll see incoming folders populate and initial messages download. Pause until that sync completes before moving on. Next, configure where messages live and how Mail syncs them. Open Mail Settings Accounts and map your drafts, sent, and trash to the server folders so changes reflect across devices. Then set Fetch and Push behavior under General so new mail appears when you want it. Push is instant while Fetch runs on a schedule. Also, create VIPs and rules to auto-sort incoming mail into custom mailboxes. This saves time and keeps your inbox focused as volume grows. Finally, compose and secure messages. Press Command-N to start a draft, pick the From address, add attachments, and use Send Later for scheduled delivery. If you need encryption, enable S/MIME or import PGP keys in settings so messages are signed and encrypted end-to-end. When everything should work but doesn't, try signing out and back in, verify server ports and authentication types, and inspect Mac OS keychain for saved passwords. This single troubleshooting step often resolves sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.